Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer CI/CD secrets from GitHub to a new server. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer CI/CD secrets from GitHub to a new server, start by ensuring you have access to both your GitHub repository and the server. Log into your GitHub account and navigate to the repository that contains your secrets. Click on the Settings tab located at the top of the repository page. In the left sidebar, find and click on Secrets and Variables. Select Actions to view the repository secrets used for your CI/CD workflow. Take note of each secret name and its corresponding value. You can copy these values directly from the secrets list. For security, it's best to store these values in a secure note or password manager temporarily. Next, log into your new server using SSH or your preferred method. Once logged in, ensure that you have the necessary environment to set up your CI/CD pipeline. Install any required software, such as Docker or specific programming languages, if not already present. Now, determine where you will store the transferred secrets on your server. You can use environment variables, secret management tools, or configuration files. If using environment variables, you can export them directly in the terminal. To do this, type export secret_name equals your secret value for each secret. Alternatively, create a .env file and add your secrets in the format secret_name equals your secret value. Ensure that this file is secure and not publicly accessible. If you opt for a secret management tool, follow the specific instructions of that tool to store and retrieve secrets. After transferring all secrets, verify that they are correctly configured in your server environment. Run a test of your CI/CD pipeline to confirm that secrets are being accessed without issues. Monitor the pipeline for any errors related to secret usage. Once everything is verified, your CI/CD secrets are now successfully transferred to the new server. This completes the tutorial on transferring CI/CD secrets from GitHub to a new server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.